bird-eating tarantula. And it moves.
Yeah.
Bird-eating tarantula. I didn't actually see it because I missed it when I last came. Look at that. That is a Brazilian salmon pink bird eating tarantula. It's a bird eating tarantula. That is big. Excuse me, Sophie. Okay, look at this. Okay. Come on, let's go down here. Oh my god! Ah! Hello! Hello! You're a bit nicer. Yeah, not climbing the windows. Now one of my favourite dinosaurs, the Parasaurolophus. What? Oh, and then down here we have got the baby Triceratops. Then up here we've got the Triceratops. So my favourite dinosaurs. I just like it. Even though I'm called Dilophosaurus PG. Where are the Dilophosaurus? I feel bad.